Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun ocho si osun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochun, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
In this video series, we talk about what a Babalawo is and their responsibilities. We also talk about how to become a Babalawo, what to look out for when choosing an Ifa teacher, and a summary of the Ifa learning process. The topics mentioned here go into more depth between the Elder Awo, or Ifa teacher, and the Omo Awo, the Ifa student, when being initiated into Ifa. What is a Babalawo? A Babalawo is an experienced and highly skilled Ifa priest in the Yoruba religion and in the Ifa system of divination. The literal translation and meaning of Babalawo is Father of Secrets or Father of Wisdom. An Iyanifa is the female counterpart of a Babalawo. The literal translation of Iyanifa is Mother of Secrets or Mother of Wisdom. You can learn more about Iyanifa, Ifa Priestess, and other topics about Ifa by following the provided links throughout and at the end of this video. Awo may be used as a gender-neutral term for both Babalawo and Iyanifa. In this video, we use these terms interchangeably. You'll also find that Omo Awo is defined as an Ifa priest or priestess in training, preparing to become a Babalawo or Iyanifa. At a deeper level of understanding, Awo refers to the secrets and mysteries of natural creation and evolution. Those who practice Ifa divination are known as Awo. A Babalawo or Iyanifa identifies himself or herself with an Ifa state of mind and consciousness. It is a state of being positive, having a clear mind and maintaining good energy. Being certain of their path and secure of their destiny allows them to be confident and humble with their actions. There is no room for negativity, impurities, or anything else that darkens the thought process. In this section, we talk about responsibilities of a Babalawo. A Babalawo that chooses to practice Ifa is typically tasked with the responsibility of primarily helping other individuals and whole communities. They are experienced in determining solutions to problems through Ifa divination. They can help individuals or whole communities understand their purpose. They help provide clarity and understand of how to live life in the most positive way. An experienced Babalawo is able to provide the help necessary due to a combination of his intelligence, self-character, life experiences, and a thorough understanding of the Yoruba religious concepts and the literary corpus of Odu Ifa. A Babalawo or Iyanifa is a person that is always ready and willing to help guide people and communities. They understand their responsibility to the community and want to help solve problems. A genuine Babalawo or Iyanifa is always ready and willing to help. Each Awo can help in different ways depending on their specializations. An Awo has the option of specializing in different practices. For example, an Awo may lean towards practicing Ifa in more of a counseling role, while other Awos may specialize in a medical healing role. The responsibility and services of a Babalawo include, but are not limited to, spiritual guidance through Ifa readings or Ifa divination. A Babalawo communicates with Ifa during this process. Prescribes and performs Ebo sacrifices. These are used to correct issues that are being experienced in a person's life or in the life of a community. Prescribes herbal medicines to improve health, heal and prevent illnesses. Isefa or Hand of Ifa ceremony. This provides protection and improves life circumstances. It is one step closer to Ifa. Itefa or Ifa initiation ceremony into Ifa priesthood. And custodian of information related to Yoruba culture, tradition, and rituals. These are some of the services of a Babalawo. The title of Babalawo is earned after many years of Ifa study and practice. Those recently initiated into Ifa that plan to practice the Yoruba religion spend most of their time studying and learning the wisdom of each Odu Ifa. There are 256 Odu Ifa in the literary corpus of Ifa. These are the verses that contain the knowledge and wisdom of Ifa and that help to bring light into and guide people in their lives. You can learn more about the literary corpus of Odu Ifa and other topics about Ifa by following the provided links throughout and at the end of this video. The number of years of Ifa practice vary between each individual person. It primarily depends on the dedication and effort the person puts into the process of learning Ifa. A good Ifa priest understands and accepts the heavy responsibility of helping others in good faith. It is very important that the person going through the process of becoming a Babalawo or an Ifa has looked inside themselves to assess and address any shortcomings they may have. Along with the privilege of becoming a Babalawo comes responsibility and accountability. A person contemplating the initiation into Ifa needs to first determine if their character is ready for such a responsibility that comes with being a Babalawo. Understand yourself, ask yourself the reason why you want to become an Ifa priest, and analyze your own answers. Are they sincere? Do they come from an honest and humble place? The abilities gained by a person pursuing the practice of Ifa as a Yoruba Ifa priest or an Ifa priestess can be very beneficial. The knowledge gained through the process is a blessing and should be treated as so. Learning to intelligently and respectfully use the Ifa divination system provides a channel of communication between Ifa, Orumila, the Orisha of wisdom, and the Babalawo. This opportunity is what ultimately guides us all towards our chosen destinies and provides clarity of our purpose on earth. To learn more about how to become a Babalawo, please click on part 2 of this video. If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.